And that's actually, so one of the questions I've gotten a few direct messages then that I wanted to open up to you is like looking at that data, like what are some of the decisions you've been able to make with that data? Like how has it helped you strategically?
So we have had some staff members who really weren't participating. And so when we did our differentiated professional development, our genius bars, we call them, we were able to take that group of staff members and kind of have a heart to heart, like what's not working here? You're not using the program. Is it that you don't understand how to use it? Did you not come to the first PD? And so you're not aware of everything it can do. And so we're able to use that. There are a lot of kids who are doing great things that have 0 points. And so one of the biggest ways that I'm using that data is to say, okay, so we need to try and make sure this kid feels like they're being appreciated, and not just expect them to keep doing what they're doing, but really highlight them and give them some validation and some praise for doing that. And in PLCs, teachers are going, oh my gosh, I can't believe that Anna has no points this week. She's like participating like crazy. So I've got to be more mindful. So I think a lot of times this data is just really bringing awareness to our staff that we wouldn't otherwise have.